Today, we are going to talk about 3 corporate structures that promote social good. First one is pretty obvious, a nonprofit organization. So, if you aren't interested in making profit and building the value of your business based on the profits you earn, and you are committed to social good, you can organize as a nonprofit company. We at Tory Project are a nonprofit company organized as a 501c3 in the state of California. So as long as we comply with all of the rules and regulations that California has on nonprofit organizations, we don't pay any income tax. So that's a great thing. Point number 2 is the social enterprise. A social enterprise is something of a cross between a nonprofit business and a for-profit business. In a social enterprise, you are allowed to earn a profit. But there's a lot of restrictions on how you go about earning your profit, what you do with your profit, and what you do with the legal entity if at any point in time you either want to close it or sell it. So, social enterprises, complex beasts, really popular over in Europe. Less so in the United States, but there is a movement towards social enterprises, and if you're not certain, I suggest you check it out. That brings us to point number 3. This is for you entrepreneurs that want to make profit, you want to build the value of your business, you want to create wealth through your effort. All right, now we're in the mainstream business. So you might think, well, then I ought to form a C Corp. And of course you could. But if you've watched some of the other videos, you know that there's more choices out there than just a C Corp. If you want something that's just like a C Corp, but promotes social good, what you want is a benefit corp. The benefit corp was invented by B Labs. The statutes for benefit corps have now been adopted in 32 states. So, check to see if the state you want to incorporate in has benefit corp as an option. If it does, I suggest you take it. If it doesn't, I suggest you consider incorporating in the state of Delaware, because a lot of companies incorporate in the state of Delaware for very good reasons. This is one more good reason. The state of Delaware does have benefit corps. So, let's review. You don't care about creating wealth at all. You don't care about profits at all. You're going to form a non-profit company. Option number 2 is you do care about making a profit, but you are committed to social good. Your core business is focused on a social issue or environmental issue. A social enterprise might be right for you. Then there's the third option. Wealth-creating entrepreneurs that I know many of you are. Make a profit, create wealth, and be a force for good in the world. You do that with a benefit corp. So, pay attention, think hard about these before you incorporate, and don't get screwed.